how to change your body shape in Roblox. So you can use any web browser for this one. I'm gonna be using Chrome. And then type in Roblox. Once you're here at the main page, go to Avatar. Then go to Head and Body and find Scale right here. Once you click on it, you want to make sure that it's not on R6 but on R15, because R6 has limitations. As you can see, you cannot change the scaling of the body if it's on R6. So you have to be on R15 to change this. Now you can do this just so you can see the difference here. If you change the width, the height, the proportions, let's redraw. You can change the body type. So yeah, you can basically play around this and get the scaling that you want down to your own custom desires. And that's how to change your body shape in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.